What's up friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your screen timeout on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So in order to change your screen timeout, go ahead and swipe up and you want to open up settings. From here, do a scroll down and you want to search for display, and you want to scroll all the way down to where you'll find screen timeout. So if your phone is currently always timing out very fast, it could be that you're using 15 or 30 seconds, but you can go ahead and you can change this all the way up to 10 minutes. So I find myself between 2 to 5 minutes is very normal for me, that I would like it. And this helps me that whenever I'm using my phone, if I put it down for a second to do something, my phone doesn't get timeout and I have to unlock my phone again. And this is very useful if you're using like a fingerprint or a password on your phone. You don't have to go ahead and put in that password every single time you put on your phone for a moment or two, right? So you can simply come here and change the times, guys, to whatever you want, and then you can go ahead and have your phone working with the screen timeout in that particular time. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.